time when the world was ours. Shiner, me, our child, future looked so good. Now I'm on a dead-end path, crash course with destiny. Funny, when you're 38 feet below, all the guns and the money in the world don't even matter much. You find yourself thinking about the strangest things. I found myself thinking a lot about justice and realized I had never found anything for myself. I had just been sinking deeper and deeper, and now all I wondered is if I had enough air to get away. And if I did get away, did I have anything to live for anymore? Eventually, they found me. And I found myself locked in jail for 30 years without parole.